welcome. This is Diva's Kitchen and welcome once again to Diva's Talk. Today, guys, what we're going to do today, we are going to make some lemon pepper chicken wings. LJ says to me last night that, Mom, can you make some lemon pepper chicken wings? I said, LJ, yes, I think I can do that. I'm off today and I'm going to make some lemon pepper chicken wings. And guys, I don't know if you all know, but this is one of the sweetest Moscato that you can ever have, and I'm just going to pour a glass of that Moscato in here to just bring in the ambiance, because you have to feel good to cook good. So once we get that started, and I'll be right back all, and once again we just like to thank that man above, because without that faith in that man above, we would not be here. So once again, we'd like to give thanks and praises. When praises goes up, blessings come down. So let's get started. What we're going to do first, I'm just going to move all these little decorations over here. And I'm just going to get a little pot. You know, we're going to keep this thing real because, you know, I'm from the South and we do like to deep fry. And what I'm going to use, we're going to do a little oil here and get that going in the pots. I thought I had an assistant here, but I don't know where he went. LJ, you can pour a little oil in here, get that going, and that is on. And one thing I like to do, I got all these new gadgets in this kitchen here, we're going to put a little oil because we like to season that oil. See, that's the secret ingredients. If you don't know, we like to season the oil so it can be well nice and seasoned. And over here, I have marinated our chicken wings. I have a little accents, Lawry seasoned salt. I have, I love cinnamon. So we got some cinnamon in here. We got some black pepper. We have oregano and a little poultry seasoning and all that good stuff. And what I like to do is I like to wash my chicken wings with lemon. Because, you know, I don't like that smell rawness. You know what I'm saying? And then I got that marinated. I had that marinated in the refrigerator. And
so, Mom, what's the actual measurements? If anybody wants to try this recipe, what are the measurements for this thing?
See, sometimes it's not always good to measure. It's good to just put it full of love. If it's all about love, it all come together.
Okay.
What you do is it's gotta come together in love, because it'll all work out. So some recipes you do have to measure, but you see me, I like to keep it real.
All right.
You're from the South, you just have to watch your grandmama stir it, and when you stir it, it's all in the wrist. Got to have it in the wrist.
Okay. What did you just put in there?
I put a little, you know, I like a little spice, a little Jamaican pepper sauce up in there, you know, to keep it real.
All right.
I'm gonna take a little sip of this. This is some sweet stuff.
It's good?
It's good. It is so good.
All right, let me show you guys the Moscato bottle. This is the Moscato she is talking about, right here. So if you guys see this, go ahead and try it out.
It's good. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it at Winn-Dixie, and I think you can get it at Publix. It is very good. I mean, if you're not a drinker and you want something nice and smooth, and you know what, I'm cooking in my kitchen, I just like to be relaxed. So while this is coming together with love, a little hot there, we're going to let that get warm. Okay, I'm back, and right now that oil is hot with that Scotch bonnet pepper in there, giving it that season. And we're going to start putting these little chicken wings in there. Boy, it's coming up. We're going to stick it in there nice and neat. You see? They just love being together. Fry, baby, fry. And we're just going to let that get together and just be friends. I'm playing all together and just lovely. See, what I like to do, if people don't know it, is that season your oil a little bit. I mean, we weren't really taught to do that in the South, but as you go, you learn certain techniques. So we just season that oil with a little Scotch bonnet pepper. I learned that from the Caribbeans and Jamaicans. Teach you how to season up your food.
That's true.
So, and I'm just eating a little bit of pepper jack cheese and my Moscato. It's wonderful.
All right, let's just, so how long should you keep this on the stove?
Well, you'll know when you're from the South, you know when chicken is done. First you start smelling it. But you know good fried chicken wings.
Oh yeah.
And it takes a little while. You can't rush cooking. You gotta fill it up with love.
Okay.
Just keep it going and fry it up. It'll be all right. So in the meantime, guys, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting some salmon ready. And what I'm gonna do is wash the salmon and rub it down with a little lemon juice and everything and make sure that smells good. Then I'm gonna come back and show you how to saute some salmon.
Okay.
Now you know that's some pretty chicken. I got them some chicken wings. Okay, guys, we're gonna, I think they just happy. About 3 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Cause I like them nice and crispy and ooh, sucky, lucky. And I got a little container here that I'm gonna start taking them out. Look at that. Look at that nice crispy chicken wing there. Oh. Look at that. This is pretty. Like in the South, if your chicken wasn't pretty, Southern people talk about you, girl. Especially when you supposed to know how to fry chicken. Everybody from the South got to know how to fry some chicken. And my mother, oh my gosh, if you knew her, when you sat at that table and had her fried chicken with that garlic salt, oh my gosh, it was awesome. So this is nicely crisped, fried up nice. Look at that. One thing I like to do is cook in a clean kitchen. Because you got to be careful when you're eating for people and the kitchen is not clean. You got to cook in a clean kitchen. And in fact, the preacher preached about that Sunday. Be careful whose house you eat at.
That's true.
Because, like the 23rd song says, God prepares the table before you in front of your enemies, but you gotta have a clean kitchen and a clean house. So your surrounding is clean. So I'm just gonna have this set over to the side.
Alright.
And then I'll be right back.
Okay.
Chicken is nicely fried. Get another little sip of Moscato. And what I'm gonna do is I have a little pan here. I'm going to put a little butter in the pan. Okay?
Alright.
Put a little butter there.
Okay.
Okay? And then we're going to put a little lemon pepper.
Ooh, lemon pepper seasoning. Okay.
Yay! Put that lemon pepper in there. Okay? Turn that on low. And then I'm going to put a little orange juice in it. Because I love to cook with orange juice. And then I'm going to put a little pinch of sugar. I'm a type of person, if you notice, when I cook, I like to put things back. Then I'm just gonna stir it up.
And what is this sauce that you're making? What exactly
This
is
is like a lemon pepper sauce.
Okay.
But then I'm gonna put a little bit of Jamaican pepper sauce there.
Okay. So this is gonna be spicy for those of you who don't like spice.
Just turn it down a little low Some people take this and put it in the microwave.
Okay.
But and then put a little bit of cinnamon, because you know cinnamon is good for you when you're cooking.
All right. So just a dash of cinnamon.
Just a little dash. And people be saying, "Whoa, what's that taste?" You know? And that's just gonna melt a little bit. In fact, I got the stove turned down already. I like putting things back up when I'm finished with them, because when I finish cooking, everything is done, kitchen and all. Now, let's see what that tastes like. Good God of mercy. You see, the secret ingredient is that little orange juice.
That orange juice, huh?
Because people don't realize what that little tropical does. Goodness. And then if I really, sometimes I use a little pineapple juice. Okay guys, what we're going to do now, we took that, we let that rest a little bit. And we're going to put the chicken in this bowl here. It's a little glass bowl. Actually, this was my mom's bowl. This came all the way from South Carolina. And look how nice and crispy those chicken wings are.
Oh yeah, they look amazing.
I mean, I don't eat meat, but I can cook it.
They look good.
Okay, so what we're going to do here, this in that nice bowl, and I'm just going to pour a little bit of this special sauce all over it. Ooh, sooky now. It's just saying thank you. Thank you, Diva. Thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. And we're just going to get all that marinated together. And man, oh man, oh man, oh man. It is what it is. And all of it with that nice tropical lemon pepper sauce. You want to try these wings? Try it, my love. Try it. Good God of mercy. Like the Southern used to say, I put my foot in it. I cook it with my big toe. Then we have this nice tray here. Then we're just going to line them up together. Because, you know, I like a presentation now. Sometimes you got to make the food look good. Got to make it look good. And people say, oh my God, that's just too good to eat. Look at that. Girl, what you got going on? That's a little bit too much for that little tray there. But it's all good. And look at that. Look at that. Man, you just say, hey. Yes, mama. And ladies, this is your lemon pepper chicken wings Diva style. And boy, I'm going to have my daughter taste it just to see what's going on. Shantika, are you here? Let's try some of Diva's lemon pepper chicken wings with a twist. Look at that. Okay, go ahead.
All right, let me try.
Let's just try. Let's just try one of these chicken wings here. Okay.
That looks really good. It smells good. My mom knows how to make chicken wings. If you guys don't know, she knows how to make chicken wings. These are always like our favorite treats.
Just give her a little napkin right there so when the juice falls, she can get it. Would you like a flat or would you like a...
I'll get a, yeah.
Okay.
Leg.
I want you to put all those choppers into it. Look how nice and juicy it is. Good God of mercy.
This is good. Look how crispy and brown, beautiful brown this is. Yes.
It is beautiful and brown. It really is. I must say so myself. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side. And then I'm going to start on the salmon Diva style.